Tutorial on how I edit. You need a transparent ping off what you want to edit. I start by adjusting the body. Then, I merge it all together and clean up lines. I forgot what the costume is supposed to look like. After I'm done, I add a multiply layer and clip it to the PNG. Then I use pen fade to shadow the face. I used a diffused red color. Then I make a new multiply layer and clip it again. I use the airbrush and a peach color. I merge the multiply layers and erase it from the white and hair. I then make another multiply layer and an add layer. Clip them both. Then I use a darkish red color and fill in all the skin. On the multiply layer, I use the eraser tool to erase the lighting airbrush. Then I make triangles under the eyes and on above the nose. Also erase from the mouth. Then I blur the ends and underneath the triangles. Switch to the layer on juicy and orangish yellow color. I use the airbrush to add some light and then erase it from the hair. Then, I merge everything together. On a new layer I make strands coming from the hair. Then, I merge it down and add to multiply layers and 3 add layers. Then, I just connect all hair to the top. Not sure how to explain, sorry. But here's what I do. Then I use this brush and brush the ends and the tops of where I connected the hair. I merge the multiply layers and use the same brush to brush strokes in the middles of the strands in the add layer. Use pen fade to do the same thing. Then with the eraser, use dip pen soft and erase the tops and ends of the highlights. On the third add layer 1 make these lines on the hair. Then I blur the ends and erase it into boxes. Merge everything. Add 2 multiply layers and 3 add layers again. Make a box on top of the eye and blur the end. Then make lines on the city of the pupil. Merge those and add a circle to the pupil then. Make it low opacity. Add a stroke like this. Then, add a circle. On the last add layer, use a purple color and make a circle at the top of the eye. Add a normal layer and make a small dot near the middle of the eye. Merge everything. Add a clipping layer and use a diffused purple to color the whole thing. Then use a peach color and airbrush it to the top. Do the same with a yellow color. Make it a multiply layer and adjust the opacity. I use the same yellow for lighting. I then use pen fade to make lighting strokes. I realized I forgot the eyebrows, so use pen fade with faded edges and use these control settings to draw the eyebrows. Since it's light, I duplicate the layer 3 times. Merge that and add a layer from canvas. Then I add the picture and the lighting layers into a folder. To blur the edges of the picture, save as a transparent ping and there you go. It might be helpful to slow down this tutorial and watch what I do because I am not good at explaining things. See you later.